sure you feel the vibes.
Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Make Auto Clinic. Welcome back to our show. Today I'm going to show you, just in case if your vehicle drain plug or any thread gets damaged, then what is the solution on that. It's a very tricky solution basically, but it's very simple and very not costly, because I have seen that people are spending so much of money on threading and all. But guys, you should understand one thing, that there are some solutions always available. You have to keep on checking around, and you have to keep on updating yourself, because what will happen, unnecessarily you will be wasting your time a lot on that. So this is the kit basically. This is the kit what we have here with us. It's a very costly kit though, but still it saves our time a lot. So this is what we call is a helicoil, and this is the helicoil fitting tool, and this is the special tap. This is the special tap which we need for the making the original or the damaged hole to oversize, which is gonna be temporary, and later on we will be inserting this helicoil in that tap hole with the help of this tool. For this we'll be requiring one more handle to hold this tap. So we are going to do this job because we have one bike which is having a drain plug issue. So as you can see, this has got a damaged thread. So now we are going to repair this damaged thread without doing much of a exercise. So these are the tools which I told you. So I'm going to do the job. So just do the greasing in between. That is the cavity which is given to collect the burr. Now what I have done, that I'm using the grease. So just when I'm going to cut the or do the tapping, at that time whatever the burr is going to be there, it will stick to the grease. So minimum amount of burr will be going inside, and that can be also removed. Just use the regular kind of a 1 liter oil or something, and just pour it. It will come down from the bottom side once you keep the bike in vertical condition. Now right now the vehicle is in as you can see, it's in horizontal condition. So I'm going to do this tapping. To make sure the tap is vertical from all sides and also horizontal from all sides. If it goes off, then you are in trouble. So as you can see, the burr is coming out. It's collected by the tap. Okay. Now just make sure the tapping process you have completed. The cavity is having a lot of burr and it is stuck to the tap. We are almost done with the tapping. That tap is going inside very well. That means okay. So the maximum amount of burr we have collected on this tap, just clean it off now. Just clean the area. Just clean the area properly. Now we will insert the tap once again to clean the burr. So this is the drain plug. You can use torque also later on for tightening the drain plug. These are the threads which are older thread which are stuck up. So we'll just clean it off. Use new drain plug. Right now I'm just going to use this one for testing purpose. Once I'm done, then just new. Also don't forget to use this Teflon tip whenever you are going to install new or old drain plug, even though there is a copper washer. It's always good to use. Make sure you are tightening exactly the same it was before. Don't do over or double tapping, otherwise the bore will get expand badly and then threads will get damaged. We don't want to damage the thread. Okay. Hardly some burr is there, but still we are going to flush it off later on. Just clean the thread with the help of clean cloth. Okay. This is the tool. Which you have to use. Just throw it inside. Then there is a slot to fix this like this way. Just make sure the holder is coming out of the, it will be like this way. Then just keep on threading very slowly. Don't pull this holder unless you feel there is no resistance. It takes some time. It's a game of patience. Okay. Now just check it if it is going properly inside. That's it. Now it's tight. You can use the spanner to make it tight. So the job done perfectly. Then just cut the edge of this spring by pushing little hard inside the chamber. The pin will break inside and it will come off when you drain the oil. So now we are going to drain the engine because now we are going to, the bike is here. Okay, now we are going to flush the engine temporarily with the help of this oil because I want to remove the burr which is, if it is there inside when we did the tapping. So now we will just remove the cap. Now what we will do, just keep the funnel out there and we'll keep the half liter downside underneath. Okay, as you can see black oil is coming, but still I want to flush it. Just flush it. Whatever is pouring from top, it's coming down. Don't use that again in the engine. I have mixed some amount of diesel in the oil to make it thin, kind of a liquid. It's not going to harm your engine, don't worry about it. This is the way you have to flush once you are done with the rethreading of the drain plug.